Namaste. Today's recipe is Shahi Tukda. So, welcome to Little Chef's Hut Kitchen, the English channel from Craftistic Rose World. Let's start with rabri. For this, we need milk, sugar, and orange food color. For rabri, we have taken half liter of full fat milk and bring it to boil. You can also use condensed milk directly instead of rabri. When the milk starts boiling, boil it, cook it till its desired consistency as per your choice. You can also use this milk as it is without sweetening it, or you can add a pinch of food color, that is the orange food color, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. I have used sugar in it. If you prefer less sweet, then you can use it without adding sugar and color. Now our rabri is ready, so let's start sugar syrup. For this we need water, milk, sugar, cardamom and a pinch of orange food color. In a heavy bottom pan, put a glass of water in it and add 1 cup of sugar in it. The quantity of sugar and water should be equal, as we need without a string sugar syrup, so we have to make sure that both of the ingredients are in same quantity. Now we have to melt the sugar completely. The sugar is completely melted. Now add few pods of cardamom or crushed cardamom as per your taste and 2 tablespoons of milk. The milk is used to remove the impurities from the sugar syrup. As soon as you put the milk in the sugar syrup, the impurities of the sugar comes up in the form of foam. Remove it all. Finally add a pinch of orange food color in the sugar syrup. Let it mix well, and there should be no lumps of the color in it. Now check the consistency. We need thin syrup. See, there is no string and our syrup is ready. For toast, we need bread and oil. So let's start. I have taken 3 slices of white bread. You can also use brown bread and cut them in the desired shape. Don't trim the edges, as it helps in reducing the oil absorption quality of the bread. So no need to trim it. If you want, you can also trim. It's upon you. If you like our recipe, do subscribe us so that you can find all our latest videos. Now all my bread pieces are ready. To fry them, heat oil in a pan. Set the flame on low to medium and start frying the bread pieces till dark golden brown. Now my bread pieces are golden brown, so I have to put them immediately in the hot sugar syrup. You have to be very careful in this process. In this step, don't soak the bread pieces so long, else they will melt in the syrup. Just dip them properly and take them out, and our toast is ready too. Now it's time for garnishing. For garnishing, you can use any dry fruits as per your choice and silver leaves. So let's start garnishing. Shahi Tukda is a very famous Indo Mughal dessert. It's very famous in North India along with all the other parts of the country for its sweetness, its richness and its amazing and easy recipe. For garnishing, first of all we have to put the rabri on each of the toast. You can reduce or increase the amount of rabri as per your choice. I have put as per my choice, and after rabri we have to decorate it with the dry fruits. To decorate it, I have used resin and finely chopped almonds and finely chopped cashew nuts. You can also use pistachio as per your choice, as per your taste. So on the rabri I have to put 1 raisin on it, and after that I will decorate it with the other chopped dry fruits. You can also add little more dry fruits like unsalted pistachios, or finely chopped dates, or finely chopped orange peels, or finely chopped tutti frutti, as per your choice, as per your interest, as per your imagination. You can garnish this amazing recipe, this amazing Indo-Mughal dessert. It's completely upon you. And as per my thinking, you can also do one more thing. You can crush, or you can completely paste the almonds and cashew nuts and cook it with the rubbery too. Finally, you can put the silver leaves on each of the toast. It's again as per your choice. If golden foil or golden leaf is available at your area, at your place, you can also use that. So the garnishing process is completely upon you. You can garnish it, you can decorate your dessert as per your interest, as per your choice, and welcome your guests with this amazing and this sweet dessert. Definitely they will like it, I'm sure. Do tell me in your comments that how it comes up, and what other suggestions, what other videos you want to see here. We are waiting for you. Don't forget to share. So it's time to say bye. Thanks for watching. Oh my god, just remembered that I put milk on the flame to bring it to boil. Oh, it smells now. Let me run first of all. Happy cooking, happy eating. Do enjoy. Bye.